You have an innovative idea for a new product, but don't know how to manufacture it? We at Assemblean will help you with that. We offer a platform where you can digitally orchestrate your entire production process. Assemblean does the rest until you receive your product, sourcing materials and parts, manufacturing and assembly, and shipping. That way, you can create your product completely digital and save high initial costs as well as operating costs. Benefit from a broad network of manufacturers, having only one contact partner. In case of supply chain disruptions, we quickly relocate your orders, and you're able to respond flexibly to fluctuating demands and scale your business way faster. That way, you can focus on what's really important, improving and innovating your product, while we make sure to produce your product exactly the way you want. Assemblean, produce the lean way.